Lena woke up before her alarm on a Tuesday morning, wrapping her sister's old sweater tight around her shoulders. Her heart pounded, but she took a deep breath and reminded herself. Clutching her note like a lifeline, Lena found courage in memories of Maya's laughter. When Mrs. Patel asked for favorite memories, Lena thought, "It's okay to ask for help," and spoke up. At noon, a gentle phone reminder coaxed her back to kindness. She closed social media, played Maya's favorite song, and breathed out. Later, at their secret park bench, she opened her journal to write down 3 affirmations. At dinner, Lena placed one more affirmation on the fridge. Her mum looked on, silent understanding passing between them. Before bed, Lena lit a candle and read 2 affirmations aloud. With each affirmation, she placed another stone on her bridge toward healing. You are not alone. Heal at your own pace. Feel free to check out the video description for some helpful affirmations.